So the SPY is currently gapping up during extended hours trading session. For those of you who watched the game plan that I posted on Sunday, preparing you to trade the best setups at the best prices, that pattern that I had disclosed within the overall analysis has been repeating for over 2 days now. And I'm going to be explaining to you on how to capitalize on this overall bull trend that is currently occurring as long as the SPY is maintaining above 627.50 heading into tomorrow. We are going to be on track for a strong bullish trend day just like Monday. As long as we're holding above that overall level and gapping up even better, we're going to be buying calls throughout the entire day using the break and retest strategy, using the 30-minute chart as the confirmation, buying at key oversold levels, buying at the gap close reversal level. I'm going to prepare you to trade the best setups at the best prices. In terms of our overall trading, you guys are well aware, we ended up making over a 1,000% net return on Monday, starting off the week very, very strong within the green. In terms of the trades today, G-Roar ended up going 7 for 9 on the day. 7 massive wins, 2 losses. The losses, we don't add to losses, and each of the losses were 100% each, so that's negative 200. In terms of the 7 wins, it was over a net positive 1,200% plus profit return, and we did end up doubling our position size, adding to the winners on a couple of the wins, which doubled the gains on those overall trades. In terms of my own personal trading, I ended up making a 40% profit return on one trade, going 1 for 1, a 100% success rate, buying SPX calls. I'm going to be breaking down the trades that we ended up making as a collective, as a whole. We ended up going 8 for 10 with another net positive 1,000% plus return day. And in terms of tonight's overall game plan, as long as we are holding above 627, this analysis, this curriculum, in these levels, if you implement the information I'm going to be providing to you, this can be a massive green day for you where you can make massive percentage gains. Add to winners, make multiple trades, leave some runners to hold towards the end of the day, because I'm telling you, based off of this overall pattern, as long as the SPY is holding above 627.50, we are going to be on track for a strong bullish close just like Monday. I'm going to walk you through the overall game plan, and then towards the end of this video, I'm going to be explaining to you and showing you the overall trades that we ended up making. In terms of Monday and Tuesday early into the week, we are already up 2,000% return with all of our trades, over a dozen trades made in terms of this week, rarely any losses. Let's get straight into it. So in terms of the overall game plan, this is what I want to bring awareness to in terms of the SPY. So I would strongly recommend that you go back and watch the video that I posted on Sunday night. It goes more in depth in terms of what I'm about to explain to you. But I want to show you how this pattern is repeating in a similar cycle. One of the strategies that I use within the market is I look at the overall technicals. I look at SPY in terms of these candlesticks as a mirror, and I wait for confirmations. I wait for a reflection to occur in the market, and then I take advantage of capitalizing on that overall trend. In terms of getting rich within the market, you do not have to be the first person to capture a trend, right? So I'm going to show you how you can capture this overall bull trend heading into tomorrow, as long as the SPY is gapping up, or as long as we're just holding above like 627, 627.50, it's going to be a strong bullish overall trend day where you're going to want to avoid buying puts. In terms of a true break of trend, for the SPY to flip bearish heading into tomorrow, it has to go under 626. It has to start to drop under 626 and maintain below 626.50. If that happens, SPY is going to start to flip a little bit bearish for the micro. But as of now, we are gapping up during extended hours trading session. So this is the overall pattern. This is what I wanted to explain to you right here. You can see we have this red bearish candle right here. We have this red bearish candle right here. And then the SPY gaps up and it has this red pin facing to the upside. Then the SPY, gaps down, has this red pin facing to the upside. Then the SPY gaps down, has this red pin facing to the upside. And then as you could see, in terms of the next day, it was a strong bullish trend day. And then as you can see, in terms of the next day, it was a strong bullish trend day. That was on Monday. And then if you look at what happened the day after that, it ended up pushing higher, forming this overall red candlestick. And then the next day, it bottomed slightly above the previous day lows, and it had another strong bullish trend day, right? So if you look at this overall pattern, you're going to see we have this red, green, red uptrending to the sideways. We have this red, green, red uptrending to the overall sideways. Now, what's very interesting about this overall move is when this pattern repeated over here, the SPY ended up having a massive gap up and then it continued to push overall higher. In terms of this overall pattern, we didn't really see too much of a massive gap up, and we haven't got that strong breakout yet above that green candle in the middle, which is right here, that green candle in the middle. So this is basically showing that in terms of this overall pattern right now, the market is considered oversold heading into tomorrow. And if we can get that clean break above 600 and 631.50 to 632.60 is going to be a very strong upside move potential, and it's going to be an overall strong bullish trend day, especially if we're holding above the previous day lows. So that's the overall pattern. If the pattern continues to repeat itself, like I said, we took advantage of this overall pattern by all going long and buying calls on Monday with this overall red bearish pin where SPY gapped down, formed the red bearish pin, and then the next day was opening up higher with the gap. So we had identified that was going to be a bullish trend day. We took advantage of that using the break and retest strategy, buying calls at oversold levels. So now we're planning to do the same thing in terms of capturing this overall trend and pattern, looking at this red, green, red, slanted to the upside. So as long as we're holding above previous day lows, or even 627.50, right around there, is going to be a strong bullish trend day, and you're going to want to be buying call options only, right? So now what I'm going to do is, now that I explained to you the daily chart foundation, showing you in terms of that overall pattern, the most likely outcome, and just be aware, market's been repeating in very similar cycles, right? So let's get straight into the levels here. So this is what I want you to understand. First things first, we're going to quickly go over the break of trend. This is the least likely outcome, right? But if it happens, you need to be aware of where price is going and what's going to happen with overall SPY. So in terms of a break of trend, SPY needs to form resistance right here at 626.50. So 626.50, this is key support with massive quick upside potential to 635, right? That's where we're on track to head tomorrow as long as we're holding above it. So for a break of trend, for the bears to be in control, we need to go under 626.30, and we need to maintain below 627. If it starts to drop, have a nice little drop, break down, crack, retest, form resistance in that overall range, then market's going to flip bearish, and it's going to be on track to go to the next overall level, which would be at 622.50, and then the gap close reversal level right here at around 621.87 to 619. And those would all be strong buy zones in terms of a bearish day. 623s is a buy zone, and then you have a gap close reversal as a buy zone, 621.70. Just understand, market flips bearish and there's a break of trend, and again, this is the least likely outcome, but you need to be aware of, if we go under 626, right, and we spike back up and maintain below 627, markets are acting bearish, we're going to drop to 623 to 622, and then that's going to be the overall buy zone, and then the next buy zone below that be 619. If market's having a nice drop under 626, you could try puts towards 626.50, 627, and profit target would be towards mid 623, and then look for calls towards 623 to 622. Gap close reversal, break and retest key oversold support zone, and then the key support double bottom at 619 for calls. Now, let's get down to business, man. This is the most likely outcome. This is the most likely outcome. This is the best play heading into tomorrow. This is what I would prefer to happen. I would prefer that the market holds above the previous day lows. So what I'm looking for heading into tomorrow, I want SPY to hold above 627. In terms of the make or break level below that, 626 mid. So here's the point, man. SPY is going to have a bullish trend day heading into tomorrow. If we're holding above 626 mid to previous day lows, it's going to be an overall strong bullish trend day, right? So the longer it holds above that range, it's going to be, more bullish and more likely to go up, right? So you can study that in the pre-market, see if it's consolidating, see if it's breaking out, see if it's retesting, right? As long as we're above 626.50, you need to be wired that the market is considered bullish, and you need to be looking for opportunities to go long. So if we're holding above 626.50, and as of now we're gapping up, this is what you need to be aware of. These are going to be the buy zones. So the first buy zone heading into tomorrow is going to be the previous day lows if the SPY is gapping up, right? And just understand, market's considered bullish as long as we're above 626.50. Only way I would really consider a bearish flip is if we had a nice drop below 626.50, drop to like, 625, 624.50, spike back up, form lower highs, maintain resistance, try a quick put, and then try calls at the lower oversold zones, 623 to 622, right? So just to understand, these are the overall buy zones for calls if we're maintaining above 620.50 to previous day lows at 627. So the first buy zone is going to be right here, 627. Previous day lows, key extended hour support. That's the first buy zone if market's maintaining above this overall previous day lows. The next buy zone is going to be the gap close reversal and the break and retest. Right now, the SPY is attempting to gap up. As you can see, we ended up closing at 627.97, and we have key resistance right here along with the gap, and now we have the breakout. So once we drop back down to 628 and also previous day lows, that's going to be an overall key support zone for a reversal. It's also going to be a gap close reversal zone where SPY is going to try to fill the gap below at 627.97 and then start to reverse. So one of the best levels to be buying calls is going to be right around here at 628.30 to 628. And again, as long as market's maintaining above 627, if market's fucking flushing under 626 in the pre-market and then it spikes back up and it just can't push above 627, it's forming lower highs, then that's bearish. But if market just keeps on holding 627, breaking out, retesting, if we're getting strong breakouts above, 629, right? Retesting lower overall levels or even slightly higher levels, and it's reacting bullish, breaking out and retesting, forming higher support, we're going to be going long. It's going to be a massive bullish trend day at 635. And like I said, as long as towards open, we're above previous day lows. As I'm making this video, my intuition literally just kicked in, and in terms of my mind, I clearly remember this past pattern of the 30-minute chart, and it's basically screaming that the SPY is going to be on track for 635, and that's coming purely from my intuition, and it's also coming from like I said, just pattern recognition. As I look at charts and as I make these videos raw on the spot, literally no preparation beforehand, this is like the raw, literally everything I'm seeing in real fucking time, no preparation beforehand, just literally, turning on the camera, recording the screen, and this is how I view the market, right? Same type of way how I trade in real time. So just the raw, authentic, no scripts, no hindsight, just literally the raw, real deal. So very important to note that as I was making this, I visually remember this pattern, and one thing you need to understand is it doesn't fucking matter if SPY goes under 627 in the pre-market. What matters is if it's holding above 627 in the towards normal trading hours. In the pre-market it could have a nice little drop, but if it spikes back up into closer to the end of pre-market to normal trading hours and it's reacting to support, then it's still considered bullish, right? But obviously for even more bullish strength, we'd want nice breakouts and then just hold above 627, right? But like I said, man, pattern recognition, my intuition literally just said as long as we're holding above 627, and again, in the pre-market, it does not matter if we go under that. What matters is, if we go under that, what matters is if it reacts as a resistance as support. SPY can go under 627 in the pre-market, but if it spikes above that and reacts to support, then it's bullish. But if it keeps maintaining resistance, then it's flipping bearish, right? So just be aware of that, man. But I'm telling you, my intuition literally just spoke along with pattern recognition saying that 635 to 637 is in fucking coming by the end of the week as long as we're holding above 620.7. So with that being said, all the break and retest levels, 627, 628. If you're wondering where the big breakout's going to occur, let's go a little bit further back along with this breakdown and retest level right here. So in terms of big overall moves on the market, let's take a look right here. Yeah, so it's going to be at this 629 breakdown and retest level. Also, let's take a look at this. 630 is going to be the beginning of a massive move, and 632. Okay, so here's where all the massive fucking moves are going to happen, man. You need to pay attention to these levels. These are all going to be break and retest levels. Like I said, all the buy zones, 627, 628. Now, in terms of your big breakout levels, these are your three big breakout levels. This right here is a breakdown and retest level. You have support on the SPY, this 30-minute low is support at 629.51, all right? So if we break above 629.51, very, very bullish, break and retest zone is going to be 630 to 629. If you want to be exact, 629.50 to 630, right? So that's the first breakout zone. And what you need to understand is that's more of a breakout level. In terms of like these levels, these are more oversold dip buying reversal levels. 627 is key support dip buying level. This is the lowest break and retest level at 628, and it's also a gap close reversal level. So that's two strategies in one. But if you're wondering like the higher break and retest levels, where are these massive breakouts going to be? Think of the lower levels as the oversold dip reversals. Think of the higher levels as breakout levels and retest, right? So 629.50 to 629 is your first is your first lower upper break and retest zone, right? Next one above that is going to be right here. Look at this massive move at so like I said, 630 to 629, 629.50, those three levels, that overall zone is your break and retest overall zone, right? Next level above 630 is going to be this 632, right? So 632 is the next one. As you can see right here, we had all the support at 631.60 to 632. Once the market dropped under 632, as stated in the video, if the market goes under 632, and if you just looked at what SPY was doing, all it was doing was just forming fucking resistance. It just kept forming lower highs. Red, green, red is bearish with lower highs. Red, green, red is bearish with lower highs. And then it finally cracked red bearish 30-minute, under support, breakdown and retest. Red, green, red is bearish, and it cracked the support channel and it formed lower highs and resistance for fucking hours. Therefore, it's going to try to keep on going down. Now, one thing in terms of weakness with the fucking bears is we didn't get a massive drop. This was expected to go much lower if we go under 632. So bears are fucking lacking, and they're caught lacking very fucking hard. And I'm telling you, it looks like the bulls are ready to show the fuck up with some presence and show, who's in fucking control of this fucking market right now. So I'm telling you, man, keep your fucking eyes on this, man, because fucking similar patterns. Like, look at this. You have this nice little spike right here, and then this dip, and then this massive fucking move. You have this nice little spike right here, and then this dip, and then it's already having this massive fucking move. I'm telling you, man, if the SPY is holding above 627, 628, just like Monday, you're going to just want to get in towards market open. Just get in towards market open. As long as we're just holding above it, just look to get in early. Get in early on the overall day. It doesn't have to be at the best level, man. Some of you, maybe you traded on Monday using the game plan, but maybe you hesitated or didn't get in right away, and the massive move occurred within the first 30 fucking minutes. The same shit can happen. So literally just get in. If SPY's just holding above 627, just get in. If we're towards like 630, right around 630 or wherever we're at, obviously you don't want to go too high towards 632 right away, but just look to get in early. The key time to get in on these calls is going to be early, and just fucking hold them, right? If they drop burst, just fucking hold them, put in your max risk per trade into this trade, look to hold them towards the end of the day with the runners, set profit stops when you're up 10, 15, 20%, aim bigger. This is a day with calls where you're going to want to aim bigger. It's a very rare opportunity, just like Monday was. You understand? We are coming back and striking fucking again. We took all the fucking money out of the fucking market into our fucking trading accounts on fucking Monday. We did it on Tuesday, but in terms of the fucking amazing fucking game plan, the amazing game plan was on fucking Monday, and we're coming back to do the same fucking thing again on fucking Wednesday. This is an opportunity for you to make a fuck ton of money. This is an opportunity for you to make not just 1 month of the cost of fucking Team Roar before you join, but multiple, fucking dozens. You can make a fuck ton of money. Hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars. You can make massive percentage returns just buying these fucking calls, riding them out, leaving runners towards the close for the strong close, sell into the moves, and set profit stops, right? So set profit stops on some sides and then leave some runners, to sell into the close for a strong overall bullish close, right? So with that being said, 632. In terms of the crazy fucking breakouts, the crazy breakouts are going to occur at 629, 630, and 632. Look at this, man. 632 had the crack from 632 to 627. We had a 5-point fucking drop. We break out above 632, hold 632, react to support. It's going to have a 5-point fucking spike. We're going to 637, man. 635 to 637. Your next breakdown and retest level is right here at 637.70. So in terms of where the profit targets will be, once we get the break above 632, right? And it will fucking happen. As long as we're holding above 627, market's gonna fucking soar above 632. Next level we go to is gonna be 635. Next level we go to is gonna be 638. Those are the main things that you need to be aware of heading into tomorrow in terms of our next put zone, in terms of, if SPY's holding above 627. In terms of the levels for puts that we will be watching above 640, 641.50, in 642 mid to 643. In between that zone is the put zone. If it's reacting bearish for 1 to 2 hours, forming trend reversal candlesticks, right? So something like this. If we're just topping, if it's just topping, forming resistance, breaking down, this is support, breaking down, forming lower highs. If that is happening in between 640 to 643, we will be looking to buy puts. But that idea is more likely for Thursday if market has a bullish day. We're really not interested in puts heading into tomorrow. For me to be interested in puts tomorrow, it would have to be literally above 641. That's the only fucking way. But one thing I'll be watching closely more for Thursday, I'm not too interested in puts for tomorrow because it could be a strong bullish overall closing trend day as long as the market is holding above 627. But the put zone remains 640 mid to 643, in between that zone, right? The best levels would be above 641 to 642 mid, right around that zone, right? And you're just looking for resistance, chop, lower fucking highs, cracks of support, lower highs, and then get it on the fucking puts. But that idea is more of fucking Thursday, man. I'm fucking telling you, this is going to be a day where it's rare, where it's lucrative, where I'm telling you, losing is a personal choice. Every single day, losing is a personal choice. Inside of Team Roar, we're going green every single day. We cannot remember the last red day we have. It's documented. Everything's documented real time in there. It's buried back in there fucking months. It's somewhere fucking in there. We can't fucking remember it because there's just so much fucking green. It's green every fucking where. We don't even know what the fucking red. It's just a fucking color at this point to us. Even if we had a red day, we end the week green. We end the month green. It's always fucking green. We have the biggest percentage gains in the market. No matter what the fuck we do for the rest of the fucking week, we're still green. We're already up 2,000% plus. That holds us for 2 weeks bare fucking minimum. We can have fucking 10 red days in a fucking row. We're still going to be net fucking positive. If you're up 2,000% plus in 2 fucking days, that should be able to hold you, no matter what the fuck you do, with proper risk management for at least 2 fucking weeks. So, like I said, man, this is the game plan. I want you to use this game plan, and I want you to make fuck you money. I want you to show you. I want every single fucking one of you, man. Show every single one. Show everyone. Show every fucking one that we're the best. Show them that we're the best. We have the best game plans. We have the best curriculum. We have the best levels. We're the absolute fucking best. And show them with your fucking results. With all of your fucking results. So heading into tomorrow, like I said, if we're holding above 627, you're going to want to be buying these fucking calls. Use the levels, use the breakout and retest strategy, and look to get in early, especially if we're under 630. Get in fucking early. Just look to get in towards market open, and you could buy multiple fucking strikes. If you're in one strike, it drops 50%, buy another fucking strike. Hold them both and print. When your trades go green, add to the winners. And then set profit stops when you're up 10%, and your entire position size does not have to be attached to your profit stop. The profit stop is going to automatically exit you. Move your profit stop up higher to ensure that you don't get back the bulk of your gains, right? If the market has a big move against your trade, you're going to want to keep moving that profit stop up higher, that way you don't get back the bulk of your gains, You get profit stopped out where you moved it to, not where you originally set it to. And you can detach some of your position from your profit stop. You can have like 70-80% of your position size on your profit stop, and then 20 to 30%, you decide where you want to sell. And those are called runners. And what I would suggest is to leave runners towards the end of the day, because the market, based off of this overall pattern, and this is the same pattern that we use to fucking crush calls. All we did was buy calls non-fucking stop on fucking Monday. It was over 8,000% return day. Here we are again, not just surviving within the fucking market, but thriving at all-time fucking highs with it. Our fucking accounts, all-time fucking highs. Our fucking company, all-time fucking highs. Every single fucking day. We are blowing the fuck up. Everything is blowing the fuck up. The fucking company is at all-time fucking highs. The fucking market keeps on pushing for all-time fucking highs. This is the best time to be available within the market. It is now normal to trade SPY and SPX every single day and make 1,000% returns, making, 4 to 6 trades. On our biggest days, it's 8 to 15 trades. Like in terms of today, we made 10 trades. There was 10 trades. We had 2 100% losses. And then in terms of the 8 wins, 2 of those 8 wins were 300% returns each. So the vast majority, of the gains came from 2 trades, right? And the small losses, only 100% each. Losing's a personal fucking choice every single fucking day. The win rate does not matter. We have the highest win rate in the game because we're the best, but we don't fucking need it. We're good enough to be successful with a win rate as low as 30 fucking percent. Because we make the biggest percentage gains in the market and we add to winners, which doubles the fucking gains to triples the fucking gains. We don't add to losers, which keeps losers small. We add to winners, which doubles to triple the gains. And our percentage gains on the wins always outweigh the percentage gains on the fucking losses. If you do the fucking math, and if you're inside fucking Team Roar, you're going to see how it's fucking impossible for us to fucking lose money within this market. We have an unlimited money printing fucking machine. It doesn't fucking stop. We make money non-fucking stop. Within the fucking market, within our business, when the market's closed, it's non-fucking stop. It's 24 hours. It's unlimited money fucking printing fucking systems. We have so many fucking money systems, and I'm fucking telling you, if you use this fucking game plan, you're gonna fucking see how much money you're gonna be fucking printing. And if you join Team Roar tomorrow, you're gonna fucking bank like fucking, I'm telling you, we are going to fucking crush it heading into tomorrow, man. We are starting off with our strongest fucking week of 2025. And we will continue to prosper and finish this week with vengeance and very, very strong within the green. If you're serious about trading alongside with us, it is the first link down below within the description in terms of what you're getting access to. These are the trades that we ended up making on the day. So in terms of overall trades, you're going to see right here, August 5th, 2025, 9:54 a.m. These are the dots. So when the dots are dropping, that means the trade is fucking loading. Something's about to hit. Something's hit our fucking radar, and we're getting ready to make the fucking trade. So in terms of the overall trades, you're going to see we made two trades at the exact same time. At 9:54 a.m., this was the first trade. We bought Tesla fucking calls, right? So we mainly trade 0-day options on SPY, and then after 3:30 p.m., we trade SPX. That's when it's cheap and low risk. Sometimes we trade stocks if they're cheap, and we won't even put the expiration date on the stocks because we always go with the closest expiration. In terms of when I mainly trade the stocks, I mainly look to trade the stocks on Friday when they're actually 0 dates. But like I said, we'll always go with the closest expiration if we're trading a stock. If there's no 0 dates available, that's what we tend to do unless unless I'm making a swing trade. But the first trade of the day was a loss. The Tesla calls didn't work out. But fucking Tesla, man. Who gives a fuck about fucking Teslas, man? Fuck Teslas. With that being said, we started off with a loss, but 2 minutes later, we came back with a massive fucking win, right? At the end of the day, if you take every single fucking trade with the fucking system, you are going to see how losing is genuinely a personal choice. This isn't even trading anymore. This is unlimited fucking winning. We just keep on winning even when we lose, because part of winning is actually to lose. You have to have 100% losses within the market to make 300% to 500% to 1,000% gains. If you're wondering what comes with making 500% to 1,000% returns on a single trade, losing comes with that. And in terms of our losing in that particular situation, it could be like 1 or 2 100% losses on the day, and then the rest of the fucking trades, whether that's 4 more trades on the day or fucking 8 more trades on the day, are all fucking wins. We have the highest fucking win rate in the game. We start off the day with a 100% loss, but it does not matter because this loss was part of the process to win. You're going to see it happen all the time where we have 1 or 2 100% losses in a row, and then we hit a 300%, 500%, 800%. The percentage gains always outweigh the loss, but we don't add to losers, and we add to winners quickly because when we're up 5, 10, 20%, which is a lot for some people, and they sell, we're known for making the biggest percentage gains, so we just add. When most people sell for 10, 20% gains, that's what most people do, we just fucking add, and we double to triple the gains, and we set profit stops, and we move the profit stops up higher. So 629 SPY puts for 43 cents a contract. 9:56 a.m. You go to 629 puts at 9:56 a.m. You're going to see right here, this is where we ended up getting in on these puts. We got in on these puts at the exact lows. This is 9:56 a.m. on SPY 629 puts. You're going to see right here, we got in at the exact fucking lows. So we ended up getting in right here at 43 cents a contract. And as you can see, these are the option quote prices moving in real fucking time. When you're inside of Team Roar, you need to have your option chains open and ready to print at the speed of light. Using market orders, using the right broker to day trade 0-day options like Thinkorswim Charles Schwab, and also ideally being rooted with a setup where you can print at the speed of light, right? Market orders, hotkeys, or a stream deck where you click one button and you're instantly filled with the market order. With that being said, make sure you have push notifications turned on, and make sure you're adding to double your fucking gains, right? So on the first trade, it was a 100% loss, but we didn't add, which makes it a smaller loss, right? And what we put into these trades is our max risk per trade. And when we add to a trade, we add another R multiple, but we're not risking that extra R multiple that we're adding because we're setting profit stops. If you're green on a trade and you set a profit stop, it's impossible to go green to red. So as you can see, we ended up adding to fucking winners. And the reason why we add to winners is because we tend to win very fucking big. So in terms of this trade, 10:02 a.m., we ended up adding right here when there was a small bump up in price. We added at 10:02 a.m., right? With that being said, as you can see, it's just unlimited fucking winning from 40 cents to 85 cents. And the reason why it's fuck Tesla, this just goes to show you, this is a great situation. Look at this. You have two trades. Right here, this trade, 100% loser, right? Everything you're putting in is gone, which is your max risk per trade. It could be a couple percentage of your account, right? Obviously, the smaller account you trade with, the more you have to risk percentage-wise. Now, if you have a larger account, you're more just risking dollars, not trying to really grow aggressively, percentage-wise on that large account, unless that's something you wanted to do. Most people with large accounts, they're fairly reasonable and they focus more on the dollar gains rather than like trying to make, fucking 1,000% return on their account for the day. They focus more on dollars. Small accounts are focus more on their percentage gains, right? Obviously, it's more advantageous to have a larger account, but it's your choice on what you decide to start trading within the market, right? But with that being said, 335 Tesla calls for 55 cents. This is a 100% loss. Now, this trade right here, this was a 100% win. So you're probably wondering, how can you be successful with a 50% win rate in this particular situation? In this particular situation, you can make massive gains with just a win rate as low as 50% because this was a 100% win. This was a 100% loss, right? So that's basically break even percentage-wise. But this is what puts you on the map. Doubling the position size. By doubling your position size, it doubles your gains, which means you can now be a lot more successful with a win rate much lower than 50%. This is one of the things that we do within our real-time zero-day options trading alert system to ensure that you get the best results within the market, to ensure that we are outperforming every single fucking other group, every single other fucking trader out there. We are outperforming every single fucking day. So adding to the wins doubles the gains, and we don't add to losers. So this 100% loss is now very, very small compared to this 100% win because this win is fucking double of the fucking loss. That is why the win rate does not matter. You could be very successful with a win rate lower than 50%. Realistically, trading with our system, you can have a win rate as low as 30% and be very, very successful trading. Far out of the money zero-day options give you the strongest foundation within the market to be successful with a low win rate. And you will see by adding to winners, by setting profit stops, and by moving your profit stops up higher, and by putting your max risk into these trades and just, not using stop losses, just letting fucking Tesla expire worthless and go to zero, and then letting SPY run 100% plus and adding to the winners, you're going to see we have the best system within the market. There is no way to make this system better. It's fucking, how are we going to make this better? Put in your max risk per trade, let the losers expire worthless and goes to zero. We trade the trend, and when we don't time a trade properly, 7 out of 10 trades are going to come back to life that were down 50%. That means every single time we enter a trade and it drops 50%, a dead play, it's going to come back to life and it's going to go fucking green. So we don't even sell the fucking losses. We just let them expire worthless and go to fucking zero, man. And with that being said, on winners, we set profit stops to ensure we don't go green to red. We quickly add to winners. Most people sell when they're up 10, 20, 30%. We're adding because we tend to be up multiple 100% to 1,000% plus. And we're moving the profit stops up higher that we set to ensure that if the market has a big move against our overall trade, then in that particular situation, we get profit stopped out not where we set it to, but where we moved it to, which protects the fucking game. So in terms of these overall puts, you're going to see right here, they went all the way to 260 cents at a speed of light. And you're going to see why when we have a 50% win rate in that particular situation and why we're just laughing our fucking asses off and saying fuck you to fucking Tesla, it's because we added to winners. And it's not just because we added to winners to double the fucking gains, right? Which made up for the 50% win rate. But it's also because look at the fucking wins. This went from 40 fucking cents and then we added right here. And then look, it went to 240 cents at the speed of light. 40 cents to 250 cents, right? So in that particular trade, you're looking at literally a potential 500% plus overall return on that. We're talking over 600%. We're talking over 600% return you could have made on that overall trade. And that was within the span of 10 a.m. up until 10:48 a.m. in less than 1 hour trading with us. We put you in 2 trades. One was a 100% loss. The next trade went up 600%, and we quickly added to win, which doubles the gains. Losing is a personal fucking choice. If you're going red, especially if you're in Team Roar and you're going fucking red, just cancel subscription. Just fucking quit. We have a sealed, loyal base who's been with us for fucking years. The company as a whole is valued in worth over 8 fucking figures. With that being said, losing is a personal fucking choice. There's many multimillionaires inside of Team Roar. There's hundreds of traders who are making $500 to $1,000 a day who've been with us for fucking years. Not everyone's going to figure out our format, but for the ones who it works for and for the ones who do figure it out, especially for people, with fucking $2,000, $2,500, $5,000 plus, I'm fucking telling you, man, losing is genuinely a personal choice, right? So with that being said, in terms of the next trade, you're going to see right here at 10:14 a.m., right, after we made over 100% on that we doubled the gains. 10:14 a.m., 627 SPY puts. So if you go to 627 SPY puts, you're going to see right here, as you can see, 10:14 a.m., 627 puts. You're going to see right here, this trade is where we got in, right here at 10:14 a.m. And then in terms of that overall trade, you're going to see right here, add to the SPY puts, add, double it, double it, double it. So we doubled the position size and we added right here, which doubles the gains, right? With that being said, that trade quickly went from 40 cents all the way to 140 cents. The previous trade went from 40 cents to 260 cents. Both on the same side on fucking puts, 2 different strikes, getting you shit fucking rich. Like I said, we don't even call it trading anymore. We call it unlimited fucking winning. Oh, we had a 100% loss. Oh, well, part of winning is to lose because we need to keep trading to win. Do you understand? Part of winning is to lose. Do you understand? There's 3 trades right here. This is one trade. This is a loss. Part of winning is to lose so we can keep on fucking winning. Part of trading is to lose so we can keep on fucking winning. We need 100% losses so we can hit 600% wins and add to the wins and double the gains. So we can hit another fucking trade that goes up fucking 300% plus and double the gains by adding to the winners. Do you understand? We are the absolute best. Name another trader or name another group out there who has a system like this, who is printing at the speed of light every single day. These results you're looking at, for us, are fucking normal. It's all documented years and years. You can go back throughout all the fucking videos, throughout the track record. When you're inside of Team Roar, you can literally trade with us in real time with your presence. And if you miss a day, or if you want to go back and decode what you're doing, you can go on Thinkorswim, the broker we use, Thinkorswim, Charles Schwab. You can go to On Demand on Thinkorswim, and you can go back and literally look at every fucking timestamp and see every fucking thing we're doing. It's all alerted in real time. We're the absolute best, far out of the money zero-date option traders, and we have the best zero-date options trading alert system within the fucking market, man. People come in here and they're making the cost of the entire, in terms of the monthly fee, they're making the monthly fee. They're making back the cost to stay here for fucking years on their first fucking week. And some of them only have a couple $1,000s, man. I'm fucking telling you. Losing's a personal fucking choice. If any fucking thing, we're thinking about raising the fucking price. Fucking higher and fucking higher and fucking higher. Let's say like, fuck, so many people are in here for fucking basically fucking free. It's like they don't even look at they could write it off as their fucking tax expense, and the fucking gains they're making, thousands and thousands and thousands of fucking dollars. It's like, man, we really don't make much in terms of a profit from fucking them based off of what they're making from fucking us. If any fucking thing with the sealed fucking little base, at some fucking point, we're gonna have to raise this fucking price, man. So with that being said, man, 627 puts, fucking phenomenal. Adding. These are the option call prices moving in real fucking time. So like I said, if you're not in Team Roar, this is what you're missing out on every single fucking day. And just remember, losing's a personal fucking choice if you're in this fucking market. Some people who watch this video, they bank on the game plans, they become self-sufficient, they use the curriculum, and they make back much more and improve much more before they even join Team Roar. And then they say, wow, this is a good investment. I can invest into a real-time zero-date options trading alert system, gain access to the best trading alert system within the market where it's not just buy, sell alerts, right? Max risk per trade, risk management 101, key levels, real-time trades, real-time market analysis, adding to winners, setting profit stops, moving profit stops up higher, letting the losers expire worthless because we have so very, very few losses. And when we do have losses, 7 out of 10 times they come back to life and go green. So why sell for a loss? If it's going to come back to go green 7 out of 10 times, just fucking hold. And out of those 7 times, there's going to be at least 1 or 2 that go up multiple 100%. We're going to add to the fucking winners anyway. So it's like, dude, losing's a personal choice. Do you understand? This fucking group is fucking cracked. We are cracked wide the fuck open with the best alert system. And you need to start questioning the people you watch within the stock market. Start questioning all the other traders that you watch within the stock market. Why aren't they doing this every single day? Why aren't they doing what we're doing every single day? Winning this much, winning this consistent, and winning this fucking big. If you're not fucking in here, you are missing out on the most life-changing opportunity available within the stock market. For those of you who are looking for the best real-time zero-day options trade alert system, we've got it. There is no comparison. You cannot name another trader or another group out there who's getting results like this every single day, backed by a proven system, backed by a strong, loyal base who is paying to stay here every single month to level up and to make money consistently. So, with that being said, as you can see, both of the fucking puts went up like fucking crazy in the fucking money. And in terms of those overall trades, this is where we ended up selling. As you can see right here, out of the trade, ended up selling 10:42 a.m., right? So in terms of that overall trade, 10:42 a.m., this is where we ended up selling towards the peak at mid 80 cents, right? In terms of 629 puts, 10:35 a.m., slightly before that, 1:30, right? So losing's a personal choice. Both of those trades were over 100%. Both of those trades went up multiple 100%, right, if you left runners. And we added to the wins, which doubles the gains, right? So the win rate doesn't fucking matter. With those 3 trades, that's a 67% win rate. It doesn't fucking matter. You understand? We are cracked. The group is fucking cracked. We cracked the win rate. It's all fucking illusion. Oh, I need a high rate. We can have the lowest win rate of the game, and we will get richer than any fucking trader you know of with a win rate above 90 fucking percent. Because they are fucking shit. That is fucking why. We are the fucking best. We have the highest win rate because we're the fucking best, but we don't fucking need it, man. We could be fucking profitable with a win rate as low as 30%. Anybody knows in terms of trading that part of trading is to have a strong foundation. And in terms of creating a strong foundation as a trader, you need to figure out how to be successful with a low win rate. And that's exactly what we did, right? Cheap, low risk, far out of the money, zero-day options. And adding to winners, which doubles to triples the gains, never adding to losers, which makes 100% losses very, very small. Risk management 101, putting your max risk per trade into the cost of the contract. So everything you put into the contract is what you're willing to risk and lose, right? So if you're risking $100 a trade, which is typically like 2 contracts are usually $50 under a contract, right? And then in terms of what you can make, multiple 100%, best trades 1,000% plus, and then we add to the winners to double to triple the gains. Losing is a personal fucking choice. If you are fucking red within this fucking market, I would suggest that you fucking quit and get the fuck out and fucking leave it, because you're wasting your fucking time. Because inside a fucking Team Roar, the vast majority of the fucking group is green every single fucking day. So if you're fucking red, this shit's just not for fucking you, man. There's no need to fucking waste fucking time and burn all your fucking money if it's not for fucking you. Team Roar is the first thing down below in the description if you want something real and you want to see what real fucking trading looks like. You want to see what a decade of fucking experience looks like. You want to see what the best traders on the fucking planet look like. I already explained to you. We got it. Not a single fucking person in our fucking group, in the fucking comment section, nobody can name a group that is winning as much as we are, making as many trades as we are, as consistent as we are, winning as big as we are, and has the system. Why is it that you've never heard of this system before? Because we've created it. You understand? This was all self-taught, created on our fucking own, man. Why is it that you never heard of a system where you buy a cheap, low-risk, far out-of-the-money zero-day option contract, you don't use a stop loss, everything you put into the contract is your max risk per trade, which could be a couple percentage of your account, right? The same max risk per trade that traders use when they set a stop loss, but they get stopped out. We trade the trend, and when we don't time that properly, 7 out of 10 times, when those trades drop 50% plus the dead plays, they come back to life and go green. We never look to sell for losses. We let them come back to life and go fucking green. Some of those 7 trades that were red, down 50%, come back to life and they go up multiple 100% plus, and we add to the winners. And when we do time a trade right, it goes straight the fuck up, multiple 100% plus to 1,000% plus, or it can go straight up and come right back down, but we set the profit stop to ensure that we don't go green or red, and we move the profit stops up higher to ensure that we don't get back the bulk of our gains if the market has a big move against our trade. So Why don't you start fucking questioning why nobody has this system? Nobody has this fucking system. Nobody trades like this, and we hold for massive wins. We never use stop losses. We let all the dead plays come back to life. We're the fucking best. You guys need to wake the fuck up, and if you haven't already, join the group now. This is the best time to join. We are now midway into the fucking week. We're known for finishing the weeks very, very strong within the green. I fucking told you. I told you we were gonna close out July with fucking banner like we fucking did on fucking July. We were up over 2,000%. And then fucking Monday we came back with a 1,000% plus. Then Tuesday 1,000% plus. What the fuck are you waiting for, man? Are you waiting for us to raise the fucking price? There is no promo code. There is no coupon code. The price has been the same since the fucking start. And we're sitting here saying like, man, we have such a massive loyal base. At some point, we should just like raise the fucking price. Like, fuck. This base we have, they're more than willing to pay more than what they're already fucking paying. It's like it's some, but they're already grandfathered in at that fucking price since they're in now. It's like at some fucking point, we're genuinely thinking like, man, if we charge what we're fucking worth, like fuck, man, we're charging so fucking cheap. A small monthly fucking fee to gain access to this fucking system. Do you understand? I saw someone come in here this week. They said they're up over $14,000. They're not even trading very large. You can come in here with small accounts and run up fucking $500, $1,000 on a good day. You could double it like fucking that. On our best days, like if you want to know what our best looks like if you're wondering like, okay, you're making these 1,000% returns per day. What does that look like on your account? What that can look like on our account, realistically, is like a 50 to 100% return. That's what it can look like realistically. If we're having days where we're making 1,000% plus or 2,000, 3,000% plus, on our biggest days, realistically, it can be, a double account where we double our account. But in that particular situation, we don't look to keep on compounding it. We reset it and take the money out typically on Friday, and then we just keep starting with that same overall account. That's what a lot of the rich people do inside of Team Roar. Also, people with small accounts as well. They can double their account very, very quickly, and then they just reset it and just keep on fucking doing it. If you're making 1,000% returns on a dozen fucking trades in a single day, that's more than enough to double your account, not taking large position sizes, just trading with a cash account. Do not use margin. Make sure you're trading with a cash account. If you're inside of Team Roar, use a cash account, not a margin account. So these were the overall trades. As you can fucking see, 629 fucking SPY puts for 43 fucking cents a contract. Added at 56 cents, ended up selling those at 123 cents a contract, right? So 40 to 120, that's a 200% return. The Tesla loss is non-existent. The red trade, you just need to understand that losing is non-existent. The red trades are part of the process to get the bigger gains. Do you understand? We have a process. It's impossible to win on every single fucking trade. If it was possible, we'd be doing it because we're already doing the fucking possible, but it's just impossible. It's impossible to win on every single fucking trade. And with that being said, this is a 200 fucking percent win. You need to have 100% losses to make 200% wins. And you need to add to winners to double to triple your gains to make those losses smaller. Do you understand? Part of winning is losing. It's part of the process. But in terms of our red, we really don't even call it losing. At this point, we just call it red. We just literally call it red. It's not like we're losing money. It's like we need that. Think about it. It's like a business. We need to have a losing trade so we can have more bigger winner trades and then add to those bigger winner trades. It's part of the process. It's like a business. When you run a business, you need expenses, right? Everyone in terms of business has fucking expenses. There's certain expenses in business that you need no matter what. And then there's certain expenses in business that some people don't have. And them not having those expenses are costing them money because if they had those minuses in their bank account, they would have much bigger positives. There's certain minuses, there's certain expenses that you can actually have that can make your business prosper. And some people don't have that, Some people don't, do that. Some people just want what they need, right? Just want certain things. But the point being is, the red trade on Tesla is part of the business expense to literally make the biggest, to be successful with our system. We have a system that's successful. It can make you successful. It can make you green. It can make you fucking prosperous. It can make you fucking rich. It's going to take fucking time to figure out our fucking format. What you're seeing, this is what a decade of fucking plus experience looks like. And like I said, we have the best track record. We have the best system. You cannot name a single other trader out there or a single other group out there who's outperforming us. You can't name it. I'm sure if you watch other traders, you can probably name, them just talking about dollar gains, maybe big dollar gains, but they never talk about their entries and their exit and their percentage gains. I'm sure you can name some bullshit fucking marketing, fucking lifestyle. I'm sure you can name setup fucking videos for fucking views, but I don't think you can name a genuine, raw company who shows up every single fucking day, giving you the best trades within the market, where to enter, where to set profit stops, where to move the profit stops to, where to exit, and winning every single fucking day. Whether there's a video posted or not, and the purpose of the videos is to prepare you to trade the best setups at the best prices, giving you the best game plans, right? And the market's not always going to give us the best game plans every single day. Monday and in terms of Wednesday, it's going to be the fucking man. Tomorrow's going to be fucking amazing, right? But videos might not be posted every single day. That's a choice too. Like I said, if I wanted to, I can literally just delete this fucking channel and dip off the planet for the rest of my fucking life. In terms of what we do with trading and the company we have and the strong lower base, that is an option. In terms of this company, it's pretty fucking amazing. Like, I'm in a situation I can do whatever the fuck I want. Literally any fucking thing that I wanted to fucking do, I can do within that situation, And when you're in those situations in life where you can genuinely do whatever the fuck you want, it's very, very important to be extremely competent, being an extremely competent, being an extremely competent person, because that's a lot. But with that being said, I'm telling you, man, this is fucking amazing, man. 630 SPY calls for 36 cents. This is our next trades. Like I said, these were the trades, man. 629 SPY puts, 43 cents, added at 50 fucking cents. 627 SPY puts for 35 cents, added at 37 cents, sold at 82, sold at 123. So that right there, that's back-to-back 200% wins. That's 400% added to the winners. 400%, 2 trades, added to the winners, double the gains. To do that, we needed to start the day with a 100% loss. So if you started off your day red with Tesla, good. Losing's a personal fucking choice. We had 2 wins after that were both 200% returns, and they went up a fuck ton more than 200%. We sold early, but you could always leave runners. And then we added 200, double the gains. So fuck Tesla. Losing is part of the process to winning with our overall system. And you're going to see if you just take the trades, it's a genuinely fucking choice, man. We are literally creating financial freedom for so much fucking people. I mean, for those of you who look at money as like a form of fucking slavery, well, we fucking ended fucking slavery with fucking money. It's all financial fucking freedom over here. Like I said, man, it's not going to work for everyone. But at the end of the day, you come in here, you learn, you level up, you surround yourself with multimillionaires, you surround yourself with a real trader's decade of fucking experience. And, if you like, you can always cancel your subscription if the format's not for you. But at the end of the day, you're gaining access to something that's real and that's working for hundreds of traders in a sealed, loyal overall base. And you're getting access to a very strong community who's been around for fucking years, man. And you can join instantly on spot. It's the first thing down below in the description. You can gain access to the group and you can start printing at the speed of fucking light heading into tomorrow. When these dots are loading, you can have your option chains open and ready to start printing. Non-fucking stop, man. Everyone's fucking ready. Look at all the fucking eyeballs. I'm fucking telling you, man. Team Roar is fucking massive. On WAP.com, every single day we rank top 100 in most money made. And in terms of WAP, they personally, wrote about us on their overall blog post, as one of the top option companies, right? And there's many option companies within that list, but they put us in the top. And in terms of what you need to understand, there's other option trading companies out there, but in terms of what's not out there is the best real-time zero-day options trading alert system. People just do buy and sell alerts. They don't set profit stops. They don't use risk management. They don't let trades expire worthless, it goes to zero. They don't trade the trend. Like, we have a system. This isn't just buy and sell alerts. This is the best fucking system that will make you fucking rich. Do you understand? When multimillionaires come within the market and have decades of experience, they look at the fucking internet and they say, dude, all my trades are printing. We have the best system. We're the absolute best. Fuck that other group. Fuck those other traders. We're the fucking best. And they perform as the best. And you want to know why they perform as the best? Because they're well aware. They're well aware they're the best. And that's what the best does. They keep on performing as the best. But it's also personal, man. Think of all the bullshit out there. All the bullshit fucking traders not fucking printing, not fucking making money, using social media, using the internet to their fucking advantage, using some sort of image, using some sort of lifestyle, or just taking advantage of just beginners in general. Think of all that fucking bullshit fucking out there. We take that shit very fucking personal because we know what it fucking takes to get this fucking real and this fucking good within the fucking market. And of course, just as business people as well, we see like, man, We could charge an affordable monthly fee that's a fair value price, and we'll make everyone fucking rich for the ones who figure out our format, and they'll stay with us for fucking ever. That's building a snowballing, compounding business that scales to the fucking moon. I'm trying to explain to you, this company is unlimited upside potential. You see on our green days, literally every single day, 1,000%, 2,000%. It's the same fucking thing with this fucking company. We have so many new fucking people. We had over 40 fucking members join last night. It just keeps on fucking compounding, and they don't fucking leave. We've even tried. We tried to get people to leave. We're like, we tried to get them to leave. They're like, dude, I'm not fucking leaving. They don't want to fucking leave. We genuinely tried. We tried by winning, not by being fucking rude or fucking mean or fucking bad to them, by just winning. We're like, we're winning so fucking much. We genuinely try to get the fuck out, man. They won't fucking leave. It's a sealed fucking loyal base, man. That's why I'm saying it's like, this is the ultimate financial freedom. I mean, me being the CEO of this company, but also, you know, taking the trades and then making my own personal trades, it's the ultimate fucking financial fucking freedom, man. Losing's a personal choice every single fucking day, man. So those were, you know, let's get into the rest of the trades, man. 630 SPY calls for 36 cents a contract. You go to 630 SPY calls for 30 cents a contract. You're going to see right here. This is, 12:06 p.m. You're going to see we're in at 12:06 fucking p.m. and you're going to see we added at 12:23 p.m., right? So you go to 12:06 p.m. You're going to see right here we're in towards the lows. We're in on these calls, and then you're going to see we added right here at 12:22 p.m. You know, when it had a small little bounce, that's what we do. When it starts to go in our favor, we add to winners, right? And very important for you guys to understand, you know, more fucking money you can make, less fucking money problems you could fucking have. It's fucking phenomenal, man. So in terms of this overall trade, that was 3 massive wins in a row. We're in right here at 36 cents. We're in right here at 37 cents, and we sold at 63 cents for nearly 100%. And we doubled the fucking gains by adding to the fucking winners. So this is living proof that we have the best system within the market. This is living proof that the win rate doesn't fucking matter. If you took a 100% loss on Tesla and you somehow ended up red with these 3 massive wins that we all added to the win, just quit. Just cancel the fucking subscription, man. It's like, dude, if you're not in fucking Team Roar, I would genuinely question your existence within the stock market. If you are involved within the stock market and you are trading with real fucking money, I would genuinely question why the fuck you haven't tried out Team Roar yet. You know, what's the fucking risk? What's the fucking risk of trying? Worst case scenario, you come in here, you take some good trades, you make money, or maybe it doesn't work out for you, or the format's just not for you, but you level up in some sort of way. You network, you meet some interesting people. Worst case scenario, you get better and you just cancel the fucking subscription. Best case scenario, you get financial freedom, you change your life forever, and you stay for fucking ever, because why the fuck would you want to leave? If we're winning this fucking much, what's the point of leaving? Like, you'd have to genuinely hate us for you to leave the group. That's literally it. You'd have to genuinely hate us. You'd have to genuinely fucking hate us and just fucking leave the group. That would be the main reason to fucking leave the group if you're fucking winning. There's just no reason to hate us, and there's just no reason to leave the group if we're winning this fucking much every single fucking day. It's like losing's a personal choice, you know? With these fucking trades, where are you gonna find this? Where else can you find this? Does anyone fucking know where else you can find this much fucking winning? It's like, man, you look at other people's channels and other people's, they don't do this shit. It's like, what the fuck are they doing over there? Like, fuck, what are people fucking talking about the fucking news, talking about their fucking car they own, showing some fucking lifestyle? Like, fuck, man, it's like we genuinely have the most rare, sacred system within the fucking market. All we do is print. We do this every single fucking day, whether video posted or not. This is what the fuck we're doing, man. We just trade. We trade non-fucking stop. It's unlimited fucking winning and unlimited fucking printing. So that's another massive win. So we had 1 loss on Tesla, and then we had 3 wins. In terms of those 3 wins, if you're wondering, those were 500% returns, and they went up a lot more in those first 2 SPY puts, right? So that's net positive, up 400%, but we added to the wins and double the gains on all 3 of those trades. So it's like, dude, losing is non-existent. This holds you for fucking week. For a week plus, all that just held you for a week. No matter how many losses, no matter how many red days in a row, that holds you for a fucking week with proper risk management. We did this twice back to back this fucking week, man. You understand? By the end of this fucking week, we're likely going to be up over 4,000 fucking percent. This is the best time to be involved with trading far the money zero dated options in the market. The market volatility is at all-time fucking highs as the market is at all-time fucking highs. If you guys aren't fucking in here, man, I would genuinely question your existence within the fucking market and what you're trying to fucking do. You're genuinely taking the hardest path you can possibly take by watching this video, but choosing not to fucking be in here. Like, first of all, just think about how rare it is for you to be watching this video in the fucking first place. we're very niche. You know, we're not like super fucking viral. We just focus on making 0-day options trades. And in terms of the viewership and in terms of, you know, the videos we post with the titles and thumbnails, stuff like that on YouTube, like, this is what it brings. It brings in a very niche. It doesn't go like super fucking mass fucking famous. I mean, as of now, and we've never really tried very, very hard to become famous or anything like that. We just focused on trading and creating the best trading systems and the best curriculum for traders. That's what we've always focused on, right? As the company, for those of you who are well aware of our documented history, we just focus on documenting what the fuck we do, not giving a fuck, just being our genuine, raw fucking selves. That's how life should be, you know? If you're it's just being your genuine, raw fucking self, especially when you're already fucking successful, man. I see some people, they're successful and they choose to stop being them raw fucking selves. They choose some sort of image, or they're worried about losing their success, so they start acting a different way. It's like, dude, over here, we don't give a fuck. We genuinely don't give a zero fuck. Like, there's no fucks left to fucking give. We lost all the fucks to give. We're just our genuine, raw fucking selves. 620, 6.5 puts didn't work out. It doesn't fucking matter, because everybody knows a red circle is part of the process to getting a green circle. You have to be aware of that. You need red circles to have green circles. Losing trades is part of our process to winning within the market. Losing is a personal fucking choice. If you're losing fucking money, or if you're fucking red, quit. If you're in Team Roar and you're losing money and you're red, just leave. Just get the fuck out. Just cancel the subscription. It's completely fine. We have a sealed loyal base, fuck ton of members making money every single fucking week, and they've been with us for fucking years. It's okay. Our format's not going to work for fucking everyone. Losing is a genuinely personal choice. We are creating financial freedom for a fuck ton of traders. We are fucking, if anything, our price is so fucking low for what we're fucking worth. And I'm telling you, within some time, that might fucking change, man. That might fucking change, because we already have a very massive base that's been with us for years. And we're sitting here saying, like, man, we just want to eliminate all the brokies. We just want to eliminate all the brokies, man. All the people who talk shit, all the fucking brokies, all these fucking coupon codes, all these fucking promo codes. Like, for someone in this industry, it's like, dude, we just want to fucking show people. Like, the price just only fucking goes up. We're the fucking best. There is no bullshit. There is no games. There is no spin a fucking wheel. There is no raffle. There's no giveaway. It's like, what the fuck are you guys talking about? We trade. You understand? We trade. This is what trading looks like. Over there, whatever the fuck they're doing, we don't watch that shit. We're aware of all the bullshit that goes on in this industry because we're a part of it. And, you know, a lot of these fuckers come in our group and they talk about it. They're like, man, I was in this bullshit fucking group. They do all this bullshit, la-da-da-da-da. Like, we're aware of it. We've been in the business for fucking a decade. We've been trained for a decade. We're aware of it. But do we participate in that bullshit? No, absolutely fucking not. This is a serious fucking business where we give our clients the best fucking results because we want them to stay for fucking ever. That's the fucking goal. So for them to be subscribed for fucking ever, we need to make them rich every single fucking day. That's what we need to fucking do. We need to make them rich every single fucking day. If they when they're on that page thinking about a cancel or something, they need to genuinely look at that and they need to question that. They need to be like, dude, why the fuck am I canceling? I'm making so much fucking money in here. Like, that's the fucking point. You understand? It's a snowballing, compounding effect. Everybody fucking wins. And man, you guys had it fucking easy in terms of fucking, I mean, finding this channel. I mean, in a way, you're already chosen because this is a very niche channel. This isn't like a super viral channel. It's very niche focused. We're aware of that. You know, I could always change my approach if I wanted to be more viral. I could do that. I'm capable of doing it. It's just, as of now, we just focus on doing what we're doing, just keeping it niche and just fucking trading, right? But in the future, you know, for those of you who stick around, it's going to be very interesting to see what happens in the future, man. Because I'm telling you, at this fucking point in my life, I can literally do any fucking thing I want. Like, that's a lot to, like, take in. That's like, man, it's fucking, that's wild. If you're in a position where you can genuinely do any fucking thing you fucking want, like, there's no fucking limits. There's no, like, it's just fucking amazing. But anyways, man, we've just focused on trading. I mean, see, that's one thing, like, to just be able to do anything you fucking want. But then you also have your roots, and you also have something that you've been doing every single fucking day, which is fucking trading, and then posting the results and posting the game plans on YouTube. I've been doing that every single fucking day for, you know, fucking, in terms of the videos and all that, like, nearly a fucking decade, and trading over a decade. I started trading when I was 12. But, you know, we had 6330 SPX calls for 105 cents at 12:56 p.m. So if you go to 6330 SPX calls right here at 1 p.m., you're going to see right fucking here that we're the absolute fucking best. No questions fucking asked. So, with that being said, 6330 SPX calls for 105 cents at 12:56 p.m. This is where we got in right the fuck here because we're the fucking best. And these calls went from 100 cents all the way to 300 fucking cents. Losing is a personal choice. So that's another massive fucking win. Like I said, you're going to need 100% losers to make 300% wins. If that's a fucking problem with you, then don't fucking join. If you can't stomach a 100% loss to make 300% wins, and we tend to double the gains on the wins, then this is just not for you. If you can't afford to risk 30 fucking cents, a contract, and then, say buy 3 contracts, and then keep that even with this one contract, and then you're making triple on that, and then this one loss, like, dude, losing is a personal fucking choice. Every single fucking day, losing is a personal choice. If you're going right in 2025, that's genuinely your fucking choice. You're either trying to do it all on your own, which is extremely fucking tough, or you're just in the wrong shitty fucking group. Join any fucking group, any fucking price point. Go join a group that's $50 a month. Go join a group that's $300 a month. Go join a group that's $500, $1,000 a month. Go join a group that costs fucking $5,000 a year, whatever the fuck. Compare it to fucking ours. And you're going to see there is no comparison. We are in a different stratosphere. We are in a different realm. We are multi-fucking dimensional. Do you understand? We are multi-fucking dimensional. We can be on puts, the puts drop, and then we buy another strike, and both the strikes print. And the first put was down 50%, and we print like fucking crazy, and we add to the winners. We can be in on fucking puts, and then we could buy calls and hold both the trades, and both the trades will fucking win because we have a system, and part of that system is trade the trend. Don't use stop losses. If you don't use a stop loss, any trade can come back to life. And you could be right both ways because market can work both ways. This happens all the fucking time. You understand? At this fucking point, we are multi-fucking dimensional. We're unreachable. We're unfucking touchable. I'm telling you, man, there's nobody fucking like us. Nobody's on this level of fucking rareness, sacredness, untouchable, unfucking reachable. I mean, look at fucking G-Roar. G-Roar, nobody knows his name. Nobody knows his fucking name. It's an anonymous multi-fucking millionaire. Literally, he's making the best trades fucking possible. Nobody knows his fucking name. Why is that? Fuck, man. It's fucking amazing. That's like alien fucking level. Like, nobody fucking knows, man. That right there, man, is fucking amazing. To be that fucking, like, to be in that particular situation where you're extremely successful and you have a group that you're making successful every single day and nobody knows who you are. It's a mystery, man. It's fucking, like, that's fucking amazing, man, to be anonymous like that. A lot of wealthy people choose to be anonymous. But I started, in terms of when I started trading, I started very, very young. And I've always been interested in not just trading, but in social media and stuff like that. And I just chose to put my face out there. And man, what comes with putting your face out there on a fucking company, man? There's a lot of pros, but there's also a lot of cons. And I'm telling you, I could see why G-Roar, chose the mask. But I ended up choosing the face, from a very early age. And at this point in time, there really is no going back. I could try, but people would still know or figure it out. But there's ways that I can disappear off the complete planet and find other ways where no one can figure out who I am. I've thought about it. But at the end of the day, in terms of where I started with Roots, I chose to put my face out there. I didn't choose to be the screen with the mask on. But it's not too late. I could, if I wanted to, I could go that route. But I'm keeping things how they are right now. It's just fucking amazing, guys. This fucking company, I'm telling you, we're just all cracked. We're all cracked wide the fuck open. Like, this is the best fucking company on the fucking planet. It is unlimited fucking printing and unlimited fucking winning, man. I'm telling you, like, it's just the results. 6325 SPX calls for 175 cents a contract. You go to 6325 SPX calls right here. You're going to see we were in at the exact fucking lows at 1:01 p.m. You're going to see right here, 1:01 p.m. This is where we're in at the exact fucking lows. 200 to 420. It's like, dude, how the fuck can you be red with this much fucking winning? I'm sitting here saying, man, if they just bought one contract on every trade, they'd be making back the cost of the monthly subscription on every single trade, and we're making fucking 25, 50 fucking trades a fucking week. I'm sitting here saying, like, dude, if they just followed the fucking system and had their option chains open and ready with market orders, used the stream deck, used hotkeys, planted, still, rootness, no distractions, notifications on, no fucking bullshit. Fuck that job. Fuck that boss. I'm trading right now. Like, if they just fucking took this shit fucking seriously, I'm sitting here saying, like, man, how much would our base pay us? I bet you they would pay us at the bare fucking minimum $300 a month. At least $300 a month, man. I see it happen all the time. People are making thousands of dollars a week, man. That's the one thing that hit my fucking nerve is our price point, man. It's like, it's not only like so low compared to like the value and what we provide for those of you who maximize it. I mean, we're well aware not everyone isn't as quick and not everyone maximizes it due to whatever the fuck's going on in their life. But for those of the people who can genuinely maximize our system and just keep trading nonstop with us and being in the chat present with us and asking questions and stuff like that, man, it's like the fucking value is fucking insane. just with people as low as like $5,000 to $10,000, we could charge $500 to $1,000 a month, and they would still make a fuck ton of profit each month. For the people who figured out our format, we could easily charge $500 to $1,000 a month. Like I said, these prices may sound high and unreal compared to whatever the fuck you're used to seeing, but what you need to understand is this can't be seen anywhere fucking else. That's what you need to understand. You can't find this system, you can't find these trades anywhere else, and we've chosen for fucking years now to charge like such a low fair value price point. Like, it's not too low, it's not too high, it's just a fair value price point. But man, looking at what we do and like the value we provide for the people who fucking maximized it, it's like we need to charge a fuck ton more. We could literally make it to a point where we get so many people who are with us for over a year. We get to a point where we hit a certain number, we're like, man, we're satisfied with this. We have thousands of members, they've been with us for a year, they're not fucking leaving. And then at that point, we could just lock them in at that rate, and we can raise the price by 100%. We could raise the price like fucking 200%. Man, we could pull fucking Martin Shkreli. We could do a Martin Shkreli, and we could take this company and we could fucking raise the price by 100, 200%. We could go that path. I thought about it. We genuinely could do that. We could if we wanted to. I mean, we've always chosen to be, good people who give fair value and give small accounts a chance to trade. Like, if you have no fucking money, just don't trade. If you look at that monthly subscription price and you see what we're doing, and you're like, man, that monthly subscription's a lot, just don't fucking trade. Trading's not for you. Your account's just way too fucking small, But at the end of the day, for what we, for who we are, we've always chosen to charge a fair value price. But I'm telling you, like, it's getting to the point where we need to raise the price. We need to at least increase the price by 25 to 50% within some time. Based off the consistency, the results, the strong loyal base, and for those of you who are in here now, you're already grandfathered in for life at that price. But if you do cancel and come back later, you're going to have to pay the new price. But I'm telling you, man, it's just with the results and what the fuck we're doing, it's just like we're just so undervalued and so undersold at that price point. We could be making so much fucking more, man. It's not even like it wouldn't even, like, if we raise the price, it wouldn't be a situation where we just want like richer people with 5 figures. No, it'd be a situation like we have a strong loyal base, we're consistent, our results are only getting better, our trading's only getting better. It's adding up to 2,000 to 4,000% net returns every single fucking week. We're sitting there saying like, dude, it's like we're not even fucking charging. And the ones who are green, they get to write this shit off on their fucking taxes. They can write this shit off as a fucking business expense. We're sitting there saying like, fuck. Imagine as a company, we decided to do it where like, we charged what our base could actually pay, right? If we figured out a number and we figured out what our base can pay, for the traders who are successful with us, what can they pay realistically? I mean, like, fuck, at the bare minimum, we'd be charging $250 to $300 a month. But if we were looking at peak prices, $500 to $1,000 a month. We could charge $500 to $1,000 a month for the ones who have 5 figures. If you have a 5-figure account, you can do very, very well if we charge $1,000 a month. Because, man, I'm sitting here saying, like, dude, prices need to fucking go up, man. We deserve to get paid more, There's no fucking limits. If we're fucking limitless, then we deserve to get even fucking more. Why fucking stop? We can make this a competition within the fucking market. You don't want to join at this price? All right, you can come when it's more challenging and harder to join at a higher fucking price. And then from there, if you can't fucking afford it, well, you're going to want to come back in you're going to want to join at some point. So you're going to need a larger account. Like, there's just so much shit that we can do. But it's like we've always chosen to just be genuine good fucking people. But man, I'm sitting here saying like, dude, for what we're doing, this is just too low. The price is just too fucking low. We need to raise the fucking price. So I'm thinking at some point, we're going to be raising the price within some time. Definitely going to be raising the price within some time, man, because I'm telling you, we could be making so much fucking more, and it's like, we deserve to make so much fucking more. Like, why the fuck not? With what we do. Like, man, if someone, like, this needs to get to a point where we never even see, like, man, a month ago, we got a comment. Someone was saying, like, will you ever lower the price? Like, this needs to get to a point where we get no comments of like no coupon codes, no promo codes, no lower the fucking price. Like, if these people are that fucking blind to say some fucking shit like that or have the audacity to say some shit like that, it's like, dude, we need to charge so fucking high that those people we don't even fucking attract. They're not even in our fucking atmosphere, in our fucking energy, in our fucking realm, man. This group's been fucking amazing, man. I'm saying, when we first started this company, we would have to ban like 5 out of 100 people who joined because, man, they're fucking shitheads. But in the past couple months, Literally, no one's getting banned. I think the last person we banned was like 4 or 5 months ago, and we just keep on growing at new all-time highs. It's like everyone's on their best fucking behavior, man. This is fucking amazing, man. This is genuinely a fucking amazing company, and our group and community is at all-time highs, man. Like I'm telling you, man, everyone fucking loves the fucking group. So 6,325 calls, 175 to 400. As you can see, both calls are green as fuck, and everything is just fucking amazingly fucking green, man. So these were the trades. 6,330, 105 cents. 6,325 SPX calls 175 cents, and then sold those at 450 in at 175. Got in these at 105, out at 250. Right? Losing's a personal choice every single fucking day. If you're red, just fucking quit. You know, we look at red and we say, oh, it's just a color. Why are so people afraid of a fucking color? Some people actually think that red is losing money. We're like, dude, we have a winning system that works. If something's red, that means we're winning. Because in order to win, we need fucking red. You know? Whether we have a high win rate, a fucking low win rate, we're fucking winning. We're heading to winners. Oh man, we had a terrible fucking day. Our win rate's fucking 30%. Oh, they're all fucking shit over there. 30% fucking win rate. It's like, dude, if we had a 30% win rate, we'd be green as fuck. Because we added to the winners and had double to triple the gains. Because our percentage gains outweigh the percentage losers. We have the best foundation within the fucking market. I would genuinely question, why come no one else has this system where they're green as fuck, 5 for 7? Why? And then in terms of, anonymous, we have the Scream. Like I said, we have the Scream within the chat, and he's literally slaughtering every single fucking trader within the fucking market. He's slaughtering every fucking trader within the fucking market. He's slaughtering every fucking group you know of. He's outperforming every fucking trader, our system is outperforming every fucking thing. Any fucking thing that you know of fucking exists, outperforming. Any fucking, no questions fucking asked. We're the fucking best. No questions asked. Look at our emojis. Our emojis fuck. Lots of colors, amazing colors. Look at these colors, beautiful fucking colors. You have the orange, you have the fucking fire, you have the purple fucking color right here. You have the goat emoji, this nice like white, gray fucking goat emoji. And then you have the money, you have this fucking green emoji. Look at these beautiful fucking colors. We have a +1 in fucking pink. Fucking amazing, man. Someone said this TBH on the fucking relax. Look at this, man. Fucking amazing fucking emojis. Man, I would genuinely just pay to see these fucking emojis. That's how fucking beautiful they fucking look. So, 3,600 fucking SPX puts for 100 cents a contract. As you can see, the dots are loading. 3,600 SPX puts for 100 cents a contract at 3:30 fucking 1 p.m. You're going to see right here, this is where we ended up getting in on these SPX fucking puts. So you go to 6,300 SPX puts right here at 3:31 p.m. You're going to see right here, 3:31 p.m. We got an exact fucking low right here, 100 cents a contract. And they ended up going to 330 cents a contract, right? So I'm going to give you another 200% win after all those many multiple 200, 300% returns and wins. Like, dude, if you're still watching this video and not seeing roar, I would genuinely question what the fuck you're doing, man. We are going to print so fucking much heading into this week. Do you guys understand what the fuck it took to make this fucking happen? That's why I'm saying, man, the people who find this channel, they're already like chosen in a way, because this isn't like a viral channel. But man, the people who decide to join, it's like they genuinely had it fucking easy. Look at what we had to fucking do. We had to figure this shit out over a fucking decade. Figure out not just trading, this fucking business and customers. We had to figure out all this fucking shit. We had to fucking go through fucking hell. We've had fucking groups. We've had hundreds of people. We've had a group of 1,000 people try to fucking crucify us. Do you know how many fucking people in my life try to fucking crucify me? It's like, dude, do you know how many past fucking versions are fucking dead? Like, do you know how many fucking... Like I said, if you watched my video a couple days ago, I told you I got fucking cracked open like 12 fucking times in the past fucking month. I cracked myself open a couple times. I had some other fucking people come in other fucking environments and fucking situations, crack me wide the fuck open. Getting cracked open, it could be a good thing or a bad thing. For me, it's been fairly good. It's been fairly good. Especially when I've cracked myself open. In terms of other people crack me open, it's been some good, some bad, but no matter fucking what, even if it's some bad, it's like, dude, it's just good. It's just for what the fuck I am, it's just, life's fucking amazing. Life's fucking, there's no fucking complaints, there's no fucking negativity, there's no fucking bad, it's all fucking amazing. I got cracked fuck open, good. Let's go. I'll go 50 fucking times, you know? I remember fucking a couple months, I had this one point in my life, I'll never forget, man. I was having ego deaths every single fucking day. It was over some big shit and it was over some small shit. And I remember the phases of just having different ego deaths every single fucking day and just killing past versions. I'm like, dude, I specifically remember this one time after just having this, because I know what it's like to have an ego death and stuff like that, but like, oh my god, I was having it like every single day. It got to a point where I was just genuinely laughing. I remember the phases, man. At fucking first, it's like unfucking comfortable and fucking tough and shit, and trying to balance shit out and going up and down and spiral stuff like that. But like, man, it got to a point. I'll never forget this one phase. I was just laughing, man. I was just laughing. I could feel the death and just the fucking pain, the rebirth. I was just laughing at it, man. It's like I literally didn't know what else the fuck to do because there was so many fucking ego deaths and it was happening back to. It was just so fucking amazing. It's like, you guys need to get the fuck in here. Man, if you join this group, you might get cracked open. You might get cracked open, man. I've cracked a couple of people open in the past fucking month, man. I'm telling you, man. People come into contact in my field, in my fucking truth, and I'm fucking telling you, man. People's mask, they drop off, you know? I break their fucking mask. The performance is, there is no fucking performance. It's raw fucking truth. You know, some people, they like living in mask and living in fucking performance. They come into contact with me. They're like, dude, if you want to know what the fuck I am, listen, man. I could be a trillion fucking things. I could be any fucking thing. But in terms of one way to keep it simple, for those of you wondering what the fuck I am, I'm the fucking truth. That's what the fuck I am. I'm a trillion fucking things. I could do whatever. I could do any fucking thing. But like, I mean, there are certain things that I can't do because it's just not me. But I can literally do any fucking thing. And it's like, if you want to know a simple way to figure out what the fuck I am, I'm the fucking truth. And this right here, this is literally a mirror of that of truth as well in terms of the overall trades. Like, dude, we are going green every single fucking day. My fucking life, like, this shit is not fucking normal, man. People come into contact with me. I break their fucking mask off. I crack them wide the fuck open. If someone's performing, playing like a social game, or someone's wearing a fucking mask, if they look at me in my fucking eyes or if they come into contact in my fucking field, something's gonna crack. Something's gonna crack wide the fuck open, man. Like I said, I've been cracked a fucking dozen times the past fucking months. Like, dude, I figured out how to crack myself open. I got other people fucking crack me open. I'm fucking walking, fucking cracking people's masks wide the fuck open. They're like, damn, what the fuck is this guy fucking carrying, dude? That fucking energy, that fucking field, that fucking magnetism. It's like, dude, it's fucking unlimited fucking energy, unlimited fucking magnetism, unlimited fucking field. It's like, people come to my fucking field, they're gonna get fucking exposed. I'm telling you, man. They're gonna fucking crack, mask are gonna drop, no fucking performance. Like, you guys need to get the fuck in here, man. Just join the fucking group, all right? Just join the fucking group. Get the fuck in here. We're good people. We want to make you rich. Is that such a bad thing? And if we don't make you rich, just cancel the fucking subscription. If you're fucking red, just cancel the fucking subscription. We know who the fuck we are. We know what we're doing for the people who figure it out. We know trading's not for everyone. We know some people are going to lose money. But at the end of the day, it's living fucking proof. It's all fucking documented, and our loyal base maintains no matter fucking what, you know? It's fucking amazing, man. What we've accomplished at such an early age is genuinely amazing. And like I said, I've hit a point where I could turn this, I could do any fucking thing, man. This is fucking crazy, man. I got other traders popping up on my feed. It's like they're not even fucking trading anymore. I see them taking breaks for months. They're all going viral and fucking famous. I'm saying, like, dude, I could do the same fucking shit. I can go on a fucking tour right now. I'm traveling abroad right now. It's like, dude, this is fucking, I got unlimited fucking options, man. This is fucking a lot. I mean, for me, it's not a fucking lot, but this is unlimited fucking options. This is like fucking wild, man. I could be a trillion fucking things. Like, this is, man, when you become a certain fucking person with a certain skill set, you become a certain person, it's like you could trillion fucking things. 3,600 puts for 100 cents at 3:31 p.m. 3:31 p.m. went up 300 fucking percent. And then, you know, you go to the next fucking trade and you're going to see it was the same fucking strike. Look at this, man. They got the fucking, like, look at this shit. Who the fuck is doing this? Are you guys fucking serious? A fucking baby bottle? What the fuck is wrong with you guys? These fucking, I'm telling you, we got some fucking degenerates in our group, man. We do have some fucking degenerates in our group. Fucking degenerates, man. The fuck is wrong with fucking degenerates, man? Oh my god. Look at these fucking emojis, man. This shit, man. I just can't. This is just fucking, man. Anyways, same fucking strike, 300 puts for 80 cents a contract at 3:55 fucking p.m. You go to 3:55 p.m., you're going to see right here. This is 3:55 p.m. right fucking here. We got in at the exact lows, and these went to 55 cents. It's a good thing we don't use a stop loss because they went all the way to fucking 300. So look, man, 80 cents to 300 in the money, sold at 359. Look, at this fucking point, if you're not in Team Roar, I don't know what to tell you. I genuinely don't know what to fucking tell you, man. Like, I would maybe just laugh and fucking in like comedy and fucking like, I don't know what to fucking tell you, man. If you're the fact that you're even watching this fucking video, like the rarity to even come across this channel, like I'm saying, like for us to have a massive successful company worth over 8 figures, the reason why, like, we don't need like crazy marketing and like we don't need to take this as serious and like we can just be very niche and low key. The reason why we can do that is because our company has an unlimited snowballing effect. I already told you. 9 out of 10 people join. There's like a fucking dozens of people join every single fucking day. Like 9 out of 10 who join every single day, they don't fucking leave. So it's like, we don't need new customers. We don't need new customers. We don't fucking need new customers. Do we want more? Yes, because they stay. It's how the company gets rich and snowballs. You know, with the type of company we have, would it be great if we fucking went super viral and famous and we're getting hundreds of members a day? Yeah, that'd be fucking awesome. Is it possible? Yeah. But do we need it? No, we don't need it to get to that level because they don't fucking leave. This is a recurring business where they fucking stay because we're cracked wide the fuck open. We have the best trades ever. We're raw, we're authentic, we're real fucking humans. We cannot be controlled. We cannot be bought. We cannot be manipulated. All we do is be our raw, authentic selves, and we create winners, you know? And trading's not for fucking everyone. So if you're red, just fucking quit. I'm telling you, man, this is the best group on the fucking planet. Our trades speak for themselves. So this is what you gain access to every single fucking day. This is normal. Do you understand? This is normal. This is normal for fucking us. This is all fucking normal. You see, look, I'm going to go back. Let's go back. Let's keep on going back. Oh, August is all fucking normal. Every single fucking day is all fucking normal. We don't miss a day. You understand? Why the fuck would we miss a day? We win every day. Why would we choose to miss a day when we win every fucking day, man? Look at this. It's been going on for fucking years, man. Get the fuck in here. Just join right fucking now. Join right fucking now. Look at this. New all-time highs. New all-time highs. Market, company, every single fucking day. Get the fuck in here, man. This track record alone is worth a fucking fortune. We got people, super rich fucking people, who are silently fucking watching us. We've had people come in here trying to give us fucking offers, trying to sell fucking souls, trying to fucking, you know, get us on fucking TV, trying to fucking make deals, a percentage of fucking company. We've encountered every fucking thing. Do you understand? We've encountered every fucking thing in the fucking book. If you want to know where the fuck we stand with that, we've been offered every fucking thing. Collabs, fucking deals, fucking all this shit. We've been offered every fucking thing. If you want to know where we stand with that, this is where we stand with that. You can't DM us. There's no way to direct message us. I have direct messages turned off. We don't DM people. There's no bullshit fucking scams. Ignore the fucking idiot fucking bots in here. Block them. Fucking, you can turn your friend request settings off if you'd like so you don't have other people DMing you. We have the best trades. We give you the best trades. And we have the best fucking community that fucks. At the end of the day, we could eliminate the community and we could just give you the best trades. People will gladly pay for this and stay. But, you know, we're fun, raw, authentic people. So we're creating a badass fucking community. And this is what all the fucking members look, man, at this point, it's just genuinely fucking, if you're not in here, it's just genuinely fucking comedy at this point. I don't know what to fucking tell you, man. Like, what else do you want to see? What else do you genuinely want to fucking see to get you in here, man? Like, we just win every single day. There's not much to be said, you know? It's like every single day we're fucking green. You know, we got dinosaurs in. We got fucking dinosaur fucking emojis. We got fucking check marks. We got fucking circles. Circles are very whole, very spiritual. You know, what's this with this fucking green thing? Look, it's like a fucking person made of fucking slime. We got fucking, you know, hundreds, keeping it hundreds. We got the +1. That's our new addition. You know, we got our new addition. Shout out to, I think JL is the one who started that. We got our +1 as the new fucking addition in here. You know, we got some cool emojis that made the cut. We got some interesting things going on. I'm telling you, it's a very fun, interesting community. A fuck ton of people making a fuck ton of money. You know, you can get started right now, instant fucking access. Like, I'm telling you, man, you're gonna fucking love the fucking community, man. You know, some people in this world, we just genuinely have it all. We have every fucking thing. You know, if you want to know what we have every fucking thing. That's what we have. Why should we join your group? We have everything. That's why. We have every fucking thing. Look at this, man. The shit that's going on in here, like, dude. Our community fucks. Look at all the green leaves. Oh, all the green leaves popping cherries. Look at that. Lots of people popping cherries, just joining Team Roar. By the time this, okay, look, let me put this into perspective here. These people with green leaves, right? They just joined the group. That leaf, I'm not sure when it goes away. It goes away maybe in a week, maybe in a 2, but it will go away. So by the time this leaf goes away, a fuck ton of these people are going to make thousands of dollars. Do you understand? They're going to make hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars. They're going to make back the cost of the fucking year, of the cost to stay here for a fucking year by the time that leaf goes away. I would genuinely fucking question why the fuck you're not in this fucking group, man. You see this? Look at our fucking community, man. They're winning so much, they're just having fun. Because that's how it should be, man. When you're up, when you're fucking winning, you shouldn't be trying to be all fucking serious and all fucking professional. You know, that's, I'm telling you, man. Some people, success is like an illusion. You know, some people, they just want to portray an image or a persona or whatever the fuck. It's like, dude, we just be ourselves. Like, it's important in life to just give no fucks in terms of like giving no fucks. Just give no fucks in terms of being yourself. Just be yourself. There's no point. Like, we don't give a fuck. There's no fucking, this is who we are. Like, man, I see some people who are successful, man. They just hold up these personas, these images, and all this bullshit. Like, I'm thinking to myself, like, man, if I was a certain way, or if I did things a certain way, I probably could make more money. But at the end of the day, I'm my fucking self. And that's unlimited fucking money any fucking ways. So what the fuck does it matter? Be my fucking self. Like, who gives a fuck? You don't like us? Who gives a fuck? We're the fucking best. What's there to not fucking like? We got green leaves. You know? Does your group have green fucking leaves? By the time those leaves go away, they make a fuck ton of money. Like, losing's a personal fucking choice. Every single fucking day, man. If you want to join, it's the first thing down below within the description. My swing trade ended up working out. Sava went up 10% today. I took a swing trade on Sava at 230. It went up 10%. Took some gains on that. That's a long-term play if you want to take a long-term YOLO on that one. In terms of my one trade that I ended up making, it was on 6315 SPX calls. Man, if I would have went with 6310 instead of 6315, 6310 went barely in the money. Those would have printed like crazy. On this one, I went further out of the money because I felt it was going to have a stronger, bigger move. But this still worked out, man. This was a 40% win. People banked on it, made a quick 30%. A lot of people made a quick 30% one on this. This was the one trade that I took. It was during the power hour when I trade best. 6315 calls at 100 cents a contract. You go to 6315 calls right here. You're going to see right here, this is where I ended up getting in at the exact lows. Time this fucking perfectly. 3:06 p.m. in at 100 cents. 3:06 p.m., right? In at 100 cents. A couple minutes later, it went to 155 cents, right? For 2 minutes, it lasted at 150 cents, right? Set profit stops. Trade went up 55%. Losing's a personal choice. We went 8 for fucking 10. We're going to crush it this week, man. Like I said, our trading results are at all-time highs. Our community is at all-time fucking highs. We have a strong, loyal base who's been with us for years. You're getting instant access to a track record of years where you can go back on demand, think or swim, decode everything we're doing. You could trade with us in real fucking time, print at the speed of fucking light, make back the cost of the monthly subscription on your first fucking trade, which is one fucking contract. It's like, dude, losing's a personal choice. It should genuinely be a requirement for anyone trading within the stock market to join Team Roar. It really should, you know? To be able to get this opportunity and pass that up, you'd have to be fucking wild, man. You'd have to be fucking wild, man. It's like you don't want the truth. You know, we give people the truth. We give people that something's real, and we give people the truth. And what's gonna happen when we give you something real, give you the truth? You're gonna level up. You know, you're gonna have to shed some You might have to shed some layers. You might not. Some of you might not even like us at first, but then you'll fall in love with us. But, what's going to happen is you're going to realize if trading's for you or not. And it's not for everyone. That's fine. But at least if you're in a group that's real and it is the truth, you get to find out fairly quickly. You know, I would say within 3 months, you should have some sort of idea. Give it a chance. Don't just come in here and fucking cancel. Don't be one of those fuckers. Give it at least 3 fucking months at the bare fucking minimum, man. You know, I mean, that could be another business move we can make. If we want people to genuinely give it a longer shot, we could just do no monthly plans and we could do 3 months. We could go to 3 months. That could be another option as well, depending on the business that we're creating. Like I said, we've always charged a fair value price because as traders, we want to give traders with a small account a chance. And in terms of like the fucking price, it's like, dude, even for small accounts, this is the absolute lowest it can fucking go. We never lowered the price and we never raised the price. It's been the same price for fucking years, and it's getting to a point where we're saying like, dude, our base is strong and loyal and massive, and they've been there for a while. It's like with our fucking results, it's like, man, we genuinely deserve more. We deserve to make more. We deserve to charge more. And also to reward the people who've been with us for fucking years. They're locked in at that current rate, you know? So it's like, we're gonna have to raise the price at some point. It's the only logical decision. And it gets to a point where the price is so fucking high where we don't get those stupid fucking comments anymore. These people fucking saying, oh, and what the fucking coupon code, the discount code. You need to understand, we're in this fucking industry, and we understand there's a lot of fucking shitheads in this fucking industry who are fucking shit and do all these fucking coupon codes, giveaways, all this fucking bullshit. We're traders. We run our business as traders. And part of the price point is making it a fair price point where small accounts can do it. But it's gonna get to a point where it's like, dude, prices need to fucking go up. You know, everywhere I fucking go, I don't see anything fucking going down. Everywhere I fucking go, I'm saying, man, the prices just keep on fucking going up. And then I'm looking at my bank account, and I'm saying it's a direct fucking reflection. I'm saying, man, my fucking bank account, my trading accounts are just going up, 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 up. And then everywhere I fucking go, I'm saying, whoa, the prices just keep on fucking going up too. Nothing's fucking going down. Everything's going the fuck up. So we're living in a fucking world where everything can go the fuck up. And if you want to go the fuck up, it's the first link down below in the fucking description, you know? All you got to do is click that first link down below, and then that's the end of going down below. Then you start going the fuck up, you know? It's going to take some time, man. We've had people, I've seen a trader in here, he was losing money for a year straight, and then he figured out, boom, cracked, fucking wide open, fucking green, non-fucking stop. I'm telling you, man, one of the most beautiful things about trading is you can lose hundreds of thousands of dollars. You know, you can lose your life savings. You could lose so much money over time, but everyone knows, you know, money comes and goes. You always get it back within time. But, you know, the beautiful thing about trading is if you compound your account and learn this skill, it gets to a point where you just make it all back so much quickly if you've lost a lot, and then you're just set for fucking life if you stick with your system and your fucking roots. Like, it can get to that point, man. That's one of the best parts about figuring out how trading is. Once you figure it out and once you got it, you got it. It doesn't matter how much money you lost. You have a skill that you can use for the rest of your life. And then it gets to a point where you're making so much more than all of you lost. And then you're on fucking top, just compounding like fucking crazy. That's why some people will never give up, because they know no matter how much money they lose and no matter how much time they've spent, within 6 months to 1 year of consistency and compounding with the right group and with their skill sets and experience, they know they can make it all back, change their life forever. Because that's how trading works. Once you got it, and what it really what a good foundation is 3 months of consistency. But once you have 6 months to a year of compounding, typically no matter how much money you've lost, if you haven't made it all back by then, you're in a position where you're like more than stable, and it covers all your lifestyle, and you're fucking living it the fuck up. And then within time, if you're more consistent, you make it all back and more. It's like, that's why a lot of people don't give up within trading. You know, traders come and go, traders take breaks and stuff like that. We've had plenty of people, you know, people who cancel our group, we see them come back all the fucking time because they know we're the real deal and they want back in. But things, you know, happen in life, and sometimes people need to cancel and take a break and stuff like that. It happens, man. It's fucking normal. Like I said, I mean, I'm in a fucking situation. I don't even have to fucking trade anymore. You know, since I'm the fucking owner of this fucking company, if I wanted to, I don't even have to fucking trade anymore. I'm in a fucking rare situation. You know, some of the trades I make, I don't even share them within Team Roar, because Team Roar is focused on massive gainers. And every once in a while, I might make a quick scalp for smaller wins. But if it's identified to be a smaller win, I'm well aware that there's a fuck ton of people with small accounts. So I only look to alert my best trades with the biggest percentage gains. You know, some things I keep on the radar just for me. But I typically don't do that. And I'm just always focused on making the biggest percentage gains. But like I said, man, it's the first link down below in the description. If you want to join with us, we would love to have you. Everybody's on their best behavior. You guys, it could be like your first day of class. You guys can come in here. It'll be your first day of class. You can shake hands with all of us. You're going to love us. You're going to love our group. You're going to be like, wow, these guys are wild. These guys fuck. These guys aren't like anyone else. These guys are like, they're just themselves. They don't give a fuck. They're just themselves. Like, that's how it should be, man. Some people, especially when they get successful, they just choose to not be themselves anymore. It's kind of sad to see, because you'd figure if someone's successful, they should be more of themselves. Like, wow, you're successful, that's good. But no, some people fall in the traps, man. They're not themselves anymore. Like, I'm telling you, man, over here, we just keep it raw. If you want to know what the fuck we are, we're the truth. We keep it fucking raw. We keep it fucking authentic, and we fuck. That's what we do, man. Like, it's unlimited. You're either getting fucked or you're fucking in this world. Us, we're fucking every single fucking day. We're not getting fucked. We're fucking up the market every single fucking day. We're fucking up the company every single fucking day. It's like everything just fucking goes up, man. The chat is fucking amazing, man. You know, when we first started, we used to have a bunch of fucking people, especially the fucking newbies, man. God knows where these people are fucking coming from. Maybe they joined a fuck ton of other fucking groups, bad experiences, whatever the fuck. Like, We've had people whine and complain, but in terms of 2025, especially for those of you who crack the fuck open and who have experience, it's like, dude, there's no fucking reason. Up $20,000 with G. Roran Williams since Thursday. Love you guys. Like, dude, there's just no fucking reason to complain or whine. If you're red, good. Just part of the process. It's part of the experience. There's no reason to complain or whine, man. You don't think we've been red before? You don't think we lost money before? It took us fucking years to get to this fucking level. And now we're getting, the fruits of that labor that comes with it. It's like, life's fucking amazing, man. It gets to a point where even if you're fucking going down in life, it's like it's still fucking amazing, because if you know who you really are, it's genuinely fucking amazing. So inside of our group, there's no bitching, there's no whining, there's no fucking complaining, because even when we lose, we win. Part of losing is part of the process to winning. You need 100% losers to have 200% plus winners that you're adding to the wins on to double the fucking gains. Nobody's doing this. Nobody's talking about what I'm saying. You understand? We created this, People are going to start copying what the fuck we're doing. We've had people join and paid our group and stayed here for fucking years, and they try to take our members and start their own fucking group and take our fucking trades. We've had so much fucking shit, so much crazy fucking shit go on in our fucking... Like I said, we've been through every fucking thing. Any fucking thing that you've seen in a fucking movie, on fucking TV, in your real fucking life, or any fucking thing you can fucking imagine, odds are we fucking been through it. And this is, and part of that experience, I'm showing you, this is like a mirror of a reflection of every fucking thing I'm fucking telling you, man. We're the fucking best. We've been fucking through it. We fucking conquered. We fucking became. We're the fucking highest versions of our fucking selves. We've shedded every fucking layer. Do you know what it's like to shed through every fucking layer of your fucking self and choose to be your rawest, genuinest version of yourself? No matter who you encounter, no matter where you put yourself out at, you choose to be your fucking self and stand in that. No fucking fear. And of course, with what comes with that, you're gonna lose fucking people, and you might lose other fucking things. That's what I'm saying. There's certain people, they become successful and then they just portray an image or something to just maintain, or like they just want more money or whatever the fuck. It's like, dude, over here, with the amount of layers that I've shed in my fucking life, oh my God, I've lost so many fucking people, no longer like in the shit like we're on. It's like we go straight to the top overnight. It's like, dude, you knew me over here. Now I'm all the way up fucking here, and I just keep on fucking going up straight the fuck like a rocket. It's like people can't reach me. I'm fucking touchable. It's like, dude, losing's a personal fucking choice, man. That's what I'm saying, man. When you genuinely shed every single fucking layer of yourself and become the rawest version of yourself, you're going to see a lot of stuff in your life disappears, man. A lot of stuff in your life disappears, man. But what comes with that and what's gained with that is the best fucking highest version of your fucking self. It's fucking amazing, man. So like I said, man, we're winning every single day. We're cracked wide the fuck open. We're well aware that we're the best. We're well aware in terms of what we have, especially to be in my shoes with everything that is I have and experiencing. You have to be an extremely competent individual. I'm in a situation I can just keep on changing my life and going higher and higher and higher. Or if I wanted to, I can genuinely choose to just fucking lower my life if I wanted to. I can make the worst decisions in my life and just throw it all fucking away if I wanted to. But in terms of my life experience, I always choose at this point in time is just to keep on going higher and higher and higher. I just keep on going higher and higher and higher. In terms of falling, if there is a fucking fall, it's like, dude, us falling, it's like we don't even hit the ground anymore. If we fall, it's like we just fucking go straight fucking higher. It's like part of the fall. It's like we've gotten to a point where if we were ever to fucking fall, we don't even hit the ground and bounce back up. We just have a slight fall, and then we just keep on fucking going higher. It's like, man. I'm telling you, man, that's why I don't know why people fear of fucking falling, because when you fall, you hit the ground and then you get back up and you get fucking better. But it's like, we've gotten to a point, it's like, there's no fucking ground anymore. It's like everywhere I'm fucking staying, the fucking top, it's like, there is no fucking ground anymore. Right now, I'm in a fucking, like, high plus fucking floor. It's like, there's no, I'm looking at my view outside right now. It's like, dude, there's just no fucking floors anymore, man. But no, I genuinely love being on the ground's amazing. I love living on the ground. That shit's fucking amazing, man. But, you guys just need to understand, man, life is just fucking amazing when you're just raw and you get cracked wide open and you just keep on choosing to be the highest version of yourself, and you choose to be, competent and the highest competent version of yourself. And that's another thing. Is one thing to be competent, but then once you're competent, you have to realize, man, what am I going to apply being being competent too. You know, that's a whole nother thing. If you're an extremely competent individual, then what are you going to apply that to? You know, it's a lot to think about. So like I said, man, it's just I just hit this point in my life where I could just do any fucking thing. And it's like, man, like fuck, what am I gonna do next? Like I could literally go on a tour right fucking now, meet a fuck ton of people, man. It's like there's just so much to do. So like I said, it's gonna be an interesting, man. The next fucking 10 years of me documenting and whatever the fuck we're gonna do next, like it's gonna be fucking interesting, man. I'm telling you, at some point, man, at some point in time, this channel, this channel, a lot of you guys haven't seen the shifts, man, and the phases and everything I've become and gone through, and that's completely fine. You know, I don't expect people to see or notice or stuff like that. That's completely fine. Um, but at some point in time, man, this fucking channel, I would say, man, whenever the fuck, man, this channel is gonna go through some crazy wild shit. I'm telling you, man, this fucking it's gonna be A-list fucking top, man. The future of this fucking channel and what you guys gonna plug the fuck into while you're unplugged is gonna be fucking insane, man. Like what the fuck this shit that I'm making right now is gonna look like a couple years from now, fucking decade from now. Who the fuck knows, man? One thing I do know is I'm the best person to be doing this, and in terms of what the fuck this is gonna happen and turn the fuck into, man. Like I said, it's gotten to a point where I don't even have to fucking trade anymore, but I still do because I've been doing it for a decade and I love it. But like, man, it's just with this company and who I am as an individual. It's like I don't even have to fucking trade anymore, and like I'm just thinking that like there's a camera here and there's a microphone and I could do any fucking thing. It's like I'm telling you, man, the next decade is gonna be fucking interesting, you know, in terms of what the fuck I'm gonna experience and what the fuck I show. I'm just thinking, man, if I would have filmed the shit I've been through the past couple years, oh my gosh, I'd probably be like, this channel would probably have like one of the most famous stock channels for sure. It's like at some fucking point, man. Like I said, I've never really showed that side or gave people that access. I've always kept it to myself. Like as of lately, I've just been really just keeping it, you know, like a mystery. It's interesting, man. But at some point I might just fucking document every fucking thing and just fucking 24 fucking 7 film the fucking most wildest fucking shits, like every fucking thing we're fucking doing. Like this shit is fucking amazing, man. That's why I'm saying, man, the future of this fucking channel, like one day I might just genuinely make the decision, okay, I'm gonna fucking document everything I'm fucking doing in my life and we're gonna get super fucking famous. I might do it. I might do it one day. It's at some point it's gonna fucking happen, man. Or maybe I decide, you know what? I don't want to be fucking famous. Maybe I rebrand the whole channel. Rebrand the whole channel. No fucking face. Dip off the fucking, like, who the fuck knows, man? Like I said, I could do any fucking thing I want. But at the end of the day, I've chosen in terms of where I started to show my face. So I'm gonna keep it that way. I'm definitely gonna keep it that way, man. So like I said, the future of this fucking channel is gonna be cracked wide the fuck open. I'm telling you, we already have people studying us. They're studying me and they're studying G-Work. We have some very like private, super successful people studying what the fuck we do in trading and in business and what we say and shit like that. Like we've got people fucking studying us, and then people in real fucking life, they don't even know I have this fucking shit. Like those fucking people, like they're all fucking trying to figure out too. It's like I said, man, if you're trying to figure me out, two things to keep it easy for you. I'm a trillion fucking things, but I'm myself, and I'm the truth. If you're trying to figure something out, those that's a good start. I could be a trillion fucking things, any fucking thing, but I'm me, myself. I could be a trillion fucking things, and you know, I'm the truth. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it off at that. If you guys want to get shit fucking rich, if you want to join Team Roar, it's the first link down below within the description.